Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Amazon or TikTok, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see right here, you need three website that needs to be open. So rightly, you need to open Linktree. So we're going to use this one and TikTok and also Amazon. So yes, you can see you can use TikTok to promote your Amazon affiliate products and yeah, to increase your customers to get more to earn money and yeah, etc. That's it. So yeah, TikTok is one of the best platform to use. Same thing with in Instagram, such thing like that or such platform like that. So those platform or these platforms is one of the best platforms to use to promote your products, especially affiliate products. That's the good part of affiliate marketing. So now I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon affiliate products using TikTok. So now you need to have Amazon associate accounts, and in order to do that, just go to just search on Google Amazon Associates, and you will be redirected to a certain page where you just need to input some of your personal information, and you just need to check or agree on the terms and service of Amazon, and you need to agree to that before creating an account. And after that, you will just need to wait like 1 hour or something because the Amazon will review your registration, and after that you are now an influencer and associate. So you will see that you are already an Amazon associate by seeing this tab right here. So if your Amazon website have this tab right here says influencer and associate site Stripe, it means that you are already an associate of Amazon. So now you can use their products to you can use affiliate marketing to promote some of their products or some of your products on Amazon to your TikTok. So yes, that's it. So now as you can see, I'm already a associate on Amazon. So what I'm going to do now is to get one of their products or choose one of their products that I want to sell. So for example, I'm selling this. So this is my affiliate product. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is to get a specific link for this associate or affiliate product. So as you can see, you can just click get link while you are on this page right here. So click get link and the Amazon will show you a specific affiliate link for this affiliate product. So it could be either a short link or full link. It's up to you, but I'm going to go with short link. And right here, as you can see, after you copy it, this is where the link tree will play. So you need to have a link tree in order to add a bunch of affiliate products and add it into a one link. So this is the purpose of link tree. So you are creating a one link out of all links that you want to add. So I can just add as many links right here. So for example, I can add a collection first, and I can name the collection, for example, Amazon affiliate products. Amazon affiliate, and after that, I can now just add a link inside this collection right here. And in order to do that, so as you can see, I can just click this plus button to add my link right here. So I'm going to add my Amazon link right here. And yes, that's it. As you can see, my Amazon affiliate product is now here inside my collection. And I can add as much or more Amazon products if I want. So for example, this one, okay, get link, do it again, get link, and copy the short link, go to link tree again, paste it right here. And yeah, I can do the same again if I want. For example, this one, same thing again, get link, copy the short link, go to link tree, and add here. Click this button right here and click add. So yeah, as you can see, I already have 3 Amazon affiliate products link right here on my link tree. And if I want, I can just copy my link tree URL. And if my audience or one of the TikTok viewers click this link right here, they will be redirected to this page where they can see my Amazon affiliate products. So yeah, that's it. So now I can copy the link tree URL, go to my TikTok, go to my profile, edit my profile, and paste my link tree right here and click save. So now as you can see, my link tree is now in my TikTok bio, and people can go to my profile right here and click my link tree so that they will see this links right here. And yeah, that's the first part. And the second part is to add posts. So you can now create a post regarding or related to your affiliate product. So you can post these pictures right here, add a for example, add a video of this something. So this is actually a video. You can use this video right here. You can download this video and upload it to your TikTok, and you can use this description on when writing the caption of the video or the description of the video, and also the hashtag. And you can also input your link tree there on the description. And yeah, that's it. So that's the last part. You need to post consistently about your Amazon affiliate products in order for your people or your audience to grow and your customers to increase. And yes, that's it. That's how you can promote Amazon affiliate products using TikTok. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.